Welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Boost Wanted. In today's video, we'll be figuring out whether an eBay steering wheel is worth it. A lot of these videos are viewer suggested, so if you have any ideas for future videos that you would like to see, I hope you take the time to leave a comment below. And as always, thank you for watching. Smash that like and subscribe. With that being said, let's get back to the video to judge our knockoff steering wheel. Welcome to the Honda house, steering wheel and hub. Konnichiwa. Top of the line Chinese knockoff hub. For the price you cannot beat it. Now time for the real thing. The Chinese knockoff steering wheel. Damn, with such good quality, you would have thought this thing was made in Italy. Overall, not bad. Seems like a quality product with a good firm ridginess to it with no bending or flexing. The stitching overall looks pretty good, besides when you start getting down to where the stitches come together. The Alcantara feel is genuine knockoff suede. Let's take a look at the hub. 6-bolt hub with an arrow indicating the top. After slight alignment, the steering wheel does not properly fit the hub and the holes are off. No big issue. All we'd have to do is either drill out the holes a little bit or perhaps Dremel them out towards the inside. The finish on the steering wheel looks nice, brushed stainless black. Stitching overall looks pretty good and quality. Seems like a pretty good steering wheel for the price. With that being said, let's do some modifications to make the steering wheel fit onto the hub. Today we'll be using the Drill Master Harbor Freight rotary tool. It's an awesome tool. I should make a video explaining how awesome this tool is. We'll be starting off by drumming the inside of the holes out to fit the steering wheel hub properly. It did not come with any hardware or the wires. Luckily enough, my hub actually came with a set of screws, although it did not come with wires, but who needs a horn anyways? Wear safety glasses when working with power tools or any kind of rotary tools. Remember, 4 eyes is always better than no eyes. 3 to 5 minutes of drumming, I ended up getting all the bolt holes to line up properly. Let's go ahead and tighten this thing down and see how it fits. The steering wheel back into the car with the hub. I'll be retightening all these bolts down with an American high standard Allen wrench, not this thing that strips out screws and bolts. Now let's check out the Turbo Civic. Damn, look how clean this thing is. The tools we'll be needing for this job is the Milwaukee Ugga Dugga and the 19mm socket. Alright, now let's get the steering wheel off. With the Milwaukee Ugga Dugga in reverse, smash that hub nut right off. Nothing beats the Milwaukee Ugga Dugga. Top the line, fuel, M12. If you want to see a review or video on it, leave a comment below. Wiggle. If it doesn't come off, start smashing it with your hand. For the next step, we'll be lining up the steering wheel hub with the steering wheel column. It really helps out when you still have the steering wheel on the column in order to figure out what is true straight, true vertical. I have already taken the steering wheel off, so I can no longer do this. So at this point, we'll just be slapping this sucker on. Now let's get to it. Using your micrometer, line up the steering wheel with the steering column. Throw the nut on. Few ugga-duggas, and we're ready to roll. With the wheel on the steering column, I can go ahead and put the steering column covers back on. For now, we'll keep the steering wheel misaligned a little bit, but go out for a nice cruise to see if it stands up to the challenge. The alignment of the steering wheel is not that great. A little bit of tire spin. Seems like a pretty good steering wheel. For the quality aspect, I like it. The price, I like it. Is it worth it? Unless you're doing track or a show, I believe it is worth it. Wow, I'm so good at this, I ought to start doing more steering wheel reviews. Overall, has a really good feel to it. Diameter feels good. Distance from my windshield wipers to the steering wheel and the steering wheel to the headlights is just the right length. Overall, I am very satisfied with the steering wheel. Has really good texture, has a good feel to it, good diameter, not as thin as my other one was that I ordered from eBay, but yet just the right size it feels like. So, is the eBay steering wheel worth it? I think so. For the price, you really cannot go wrong with it. There's other brands such as Sparco, Momo, NRG, Grant that do offer a better quality steering wheel. But for the price, will you really be needing the top end steering wheel? Or if you're using your car more of a street car, or trying to just save some money on a budget build, I think that eBay steering wheel will be great for you. If you are tracking your car and you want to be 100% confident that your steering wheel does not fall off your hub, you might want to upgrade to a better steering wheel. I haven't taken this thing out on the track yet. Overall, am I satisfied? Yeah. Do I think it's worth it? Yeah. As always, thank you for watching this episode of Boost Wanted. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, or the opposite way around. If you like the content, don't forget to comment if there's anything else you want to see. Until next time, stay tuned.